Blacker than black. Renzo again. Yeah. Renzo. Yeah, me I say. Me I say, yo, why is it in 2026, artists, but me I talk from a Jamaican artist, because we love people, but we love everybody, because not just we do it, you know what I mean? It's not just us. Why are they still signing bad deals, brother? There's so much information out there. You understand me? There's so much information out there, brother, where information is infinite on the internet, bro. You understand me? Like, I don't understand. Oh, the man. Okay. Let's say this, right? Me hear, what name? Conscience, right? I heard Conscience was on an interview the other day, and he was like, with Dale Elliott, and he was like, and it makes sense. I don't disagree with this. See? Yeah. He's not gonna tell no artist that not to sign for 100,000 for 10 or 15 album for 20 years. See? Because guess what? You never had, you don't have $100,000. If you can get $100,000, me say flip it. Nothing wrong with that. But I'm telling you about the real slave deal them, where you can't even get yourself out of it. So you do a big hit song, and then a couple of years later, you're suffering in the streets. You understand me? So, me not bash the man them, we have to do what they gotta do. That's not what I'm doing. See? But we really have to educate yourself, because there is a way. There's a business way how to do things. You get what I say? Saying? There is a business way how to do things. Saying? And you know, it's like, I like the artists them for know these things. You get what I'm saying? This is what me I pray. You understand? The young artists them, the artists them, when I do them thing, no say, yo, you can't make money. You can make money. You know? Nobody don't teach about publishing, masters. You know what I mean? Yeah, 100% of nothing is 100%. Only 100% of something, like them say, they keep throwing that around. You know what I mean? Yeah, sorry. 100%. They keep throwing around. Only 100% of something that's not selling. You know what I mean? You can't make the money off. It's just stupid. Yeah, it is stupid. But when I say you have to own your masters, see? You have to own. No man not teach them. Nobody don't teach us about split sheets. Jamaica, like me say again, Jamaica is a eater food culture. Yo, give $5,000, $10,000, do the video, do a song for me on the rhythm. Right. You just get the $5,000. I will buy some clothes, buy some stuff, whatever. You know what I mean? All these things. You get what I say? And it's like, then the producer now will do that, will invest, right? Guess what him do? That song that go up, you know, he might eat forever, you know. When you just not understanding and look, check out how Bob Marley them might eat forever, bro. See? A lot of artists, not even say artists, a lot of producer I eat forever. Now stop that, but I'm not stop look out. Maybe I don't know him like that, but bro, too much of them, the artists them where them work with, Dave Kelly them. Me too young for understand, but bro, you're not stupid. Dave Kelly them, Tony Kelly them, all them other freaking old time niggas. You know what I mean? Yeah. Saying them understand the business from long time. Obviously they probably got family in the business and they know it. You know what I mean? And them do it and them understand it. The youth them way that was coming up. You know what I mean? Back then. You know, Scarlet, the Beanie Man, them, the Bounty Killer, them, you know, I don't know how them business things set, but to me, looking outside, I feel like Bounty Killer should have been one of them, one of the wealthiest dancehall artists. Beanie Man also. Come on, bro. Wealthy. What I mean, I'm talking about wealth, bro. See? The business with them business are right, bro. And this is what is missing from Jamaica, bro. See? This is what's missing from Jamaica. See? I seen the other day, look at this, look at what happened. You say, this is what happened all the time. You see what happened with DJ Mac and, what's his name, TJ, right? The other day, right? Like last year or 2 years ago. You see what happened? Record the song. Them never do the right paperwork. So, and the song gone. The song hit. Right? The song hit, you know? Right? They didn't do the right paperwork. So now man I argue. We need them things have to stop. See? The artists them gotta know. Say, listen, we not record nothing until, right? Until the paperwork is right. See? Yeah. It's a business, brother. I used to hear them say it's 90% business and 10% music. So sometimes I wonder, oh, this a song I reach us, oh, that song and that's how the business and it get deeper. You get what I say? Yeah. See? Yeah, man. So listen, man, the youth them I see them a do them thing, but I want them to understand, say, them have to, they got to, them have to do it the right way, bro. You understand what I say? Business, brother. Like, come on, they could change this thing, bro. Jamaica's the dancehall, reggae, diamond music, brother, gold. You know, see it. I'm not downplay the other artists, the other country, their music, but I'm telling you, diamond and gold artists, gold music, brother, you know, see, oh, for a little island, right? For a little island, you have so much big artists. See? You have Vibes Cartel, you have Sean Paul, you have Bounty Killer, you have Beanie Man. See? You have, you have Benz. You know, we just call some few, then you have the new youth, them youth there. Yeah. You know what I mean? And them must say, oh, the trap youth, them the dancehall trap, them youth the thing I go. Them youth the thing I go, them a get millions of streams and them thing there, bro. See? You understand me? The business after right. And we can't keep on a go around and a vice where this producer and them nah do it right. You get what I'm saying? More so you buy your own beat and you record on your beat. See? You understand me? And put out your own music, bro. Create your own record label. Come on, man, a ownership where I deal with. Blacker than black. Renzo.